Welcome to Marvel Rivals. Today, we're diving into the world of heroes and focusing on one of the most powerful cosmic beings in the Marvel Universe. Meet Adam Warlock, the genetically engineered being with mastery over quantum magic. With his superhuman strength, agility, and stamina, Adam Warlock is a force to be reckoned with in Marvel Rivals. Adam Warlock is a strategist hero in Marvel Rivals. Let's delve into abilities. One of his abilities, Quantum Magic, allows Adam Warlock to launch quick energy bolts that damage opponents. Quantum Magic, launch quantum energy to deal damage. This ability deals 55 damage per round, with a fire rate of 2 shots per second. It has a critical hit capability and a damage fall-off that begins at 20 meters, decreasing to 50% at 40 meters. Quantum Magic shares ammo with Cosmic Cluster. His ultimate ability, Karmic Revival, creates a quantum zone that automatically revives any fallen allies within the zone's radius. Karmic Revival, awaken the karma of allies to revive them. Allies revived have lower health but enjoy a brief period of invincibility. This ability has a duration of 10 seconds and a range of 30 meters. The health upon revival is 100, and the energy cost is 5,000. The Quantum Zone continuously monitors for fallen allies within this range. If they enter the area, they can be revived at the casting location. Soul Bond allows Adam Warlock to create a link between himself and all nearby characters, causing them to share and distribute all damage taken across the bond. This ability heals 10 health per second and lasts for 6 seconds. The cooldown for this ability is 30 seconds, and it has a range of 15 meters. Each target affected can sustain up to 250 shared damage. The bond breaks under the following conditions: when the bond duration of 6 seconds expires, if too much damage is sustained, exceeding the 250 damage per affected ally, or if Adam Warlock or affected allies leave the link's range. Avatar Lifestream allows Adam Warlock to heal himself and his allies with a bouncing stream of healing energy. Avatar Lifestream, target an ally for a bouncing stream of healing energy, which also heals himself upon casting. If no ally is selected, Adam Warlock will self-target and receive the full healing effects. This ability has 2 charges and a cooldown of 6 seconds per charge. The healing energy can bounce to up to 2 targets, providing significant healing to a large number of players almost instantly. Cosmic Cluster allows Adam Warlock to charge up his staff and release multiple energy bolts. Cosmic Cluster, gather quantum energy into a cluster and then swiftly launch it at the enemy. This ability deals 38 damage per shot and can fire up to 5 projectiles in rapid succession. The firing interval for a single charged shot is 0.3 seconds, while the interval for multiple shots is 0.07 seconds. The projectiles travel at a speed of 100 meters per second. Cosmic Cluster shares ammo with Quantum Magic, so managing your ammo is crucial for maximizing damage output. One of his passive abilities, Regenerative Cocoon, allows Adam Warlock to revive upon dying, giving him a second chance in battle. Regenerative Cocoon, when Adam Warlock's health depletes to 0, he transforms into a free-flying spirit visible to all players. In this form, he can move around for a short time to find a spot to revive. After reaching a spot or when time runs out, Adam Warlock enters a cocoon for a brief moment before re-emerging, fully healed and rejuvenated. He is briefly invincible after leaving the cocoon, allowing him a fighting chance against any enemies who attempt to follow him. The cooldown for this ability is 105 seconds. One of his team-up abilities, Soul Perseverance, enhances the rebirth power of Star-Lord and Mantis, granting them the power of cocooned revival. Soul Perseverance, this ability activates when Star-Lord or Mantis is on your team. If they die, they'll enter cocoon mode, allowing them to fly around the map and respawn, similar to Adam Warlock's regenerative cocoon ability. Additionally, every healing they receive is improved by 15%. The genetically engineered Adam Warlock wields powerful quantum magic, enabling him to connect and heal souls with a gentle touch. When his allies unite, Warlock stands as the unwavering epicenter of cosmic justice.
Second chance is over. choice. We are in this together.
I'll get you next time.
The cosmos heals you.
Powering up. Quickly.
I feel better already.
Embrace the light.
The cosmos heals you. Some help would be good.
I'm
Stop them in their tracks.
Quantum magic. The cosmos heals you.
He provides long-range support with high conditional area of effect burst healing, the ability to share damage among teammates, and the capability to revive multiple allies.
Healing power.
Whoever they are, they don't look friendly.
Quantum magic.
You stop them in their tracks. Co-op time.
Cosmic might return.
Fire mode.
Your power! The cosmos heals you.
I'm hulking out.
Some
You
assistance.
stop them in their tracks.
That's what I needed. Quantum magic.
Whoever they are, they don't look friendly.
Healing power.
Only 60 seconds left.
Stronger together.
Gear up, little You stop them in their tracks.
Quantum magic. You are safe now, my friend.
Down to 30 seconds. Disappear!
Healing power. I require some.
Join Adam Warlock in Marvel Rivals. Master his abilities, strategize with your team, and dominate the arena with the cosmic powerhouse Adam Warlock.